FFC at the Gristmill Grinder Half Marathon Trail Run. What's your predictions?
My predictions are to have a great time out there.
The distance for John. You're for 10th place. How'd it feel out there, John?
Good. I had to poop pretty badly in the beginning, so I had to stop and take care of business.
All right, go Joe.
Go Joe.
FFC, baby. Yeah.
Time to go run the meadow now. Sprint.
How was the trail?
Excellent. Dry as a bone.
After the wind and the thunder stopped, great day.
You gonna run with Daddy?
All right, Team FFC, First Lady coming in. Yeah. All right, Lila. Woo, Lila. Give me some post-race feedback, Lila. Woo, huh?
Gristmill Grinder, 2011. It was awesome.
Yeah.
It was definitely a grinder.
What's your favorite part?
Well, my favorite part was probably running along Mans Creek, and then probably my favorite part for like body mutilation was that last mile. It seemed like 2 miles. Lots of climbing, but it was beautiful. So I enjoyed it.
All right.
Weather turned out nice though. Just enough rain to keep the dust down. Anybody going to come back next week?